Let me ask you something real quick. You check your credit score. And you're like, why is this number not moving? You pay on time. You try to be responsible. But still, nothing. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your credit score is not the problem. Your credit report is. And today, I'm breaking it all down. No fancy words, no bank talk. Just real-life credit game. When I first learned about credit in America, I thought credit score was everything. Like, if I just get a 700, life would be smooth. But I was dead wrong. My score wasn't growing, even though I was doing everything right. Then I finally checked my credit report. And bro, it was messy. Old accounts. Wrong late payments. Stuff I didn't even recognize. That's when it hit me. Credit report runs the show. Let's keep it simple. Your credit report is your financial background check. It's a detailed history of how you handle borrowed money. Not vibes. Not intentions. Just straight up facts. Every time you open a credit card, take a loan, miss a payment, pay on time, it all gets recorded. Think of it like a permanent record. And yeah, it follows you. In the US, 3 companies control your credit story: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. They're called credit bureaus. They don't lend money. They just collect data. Banks, landlords, car dealers. They all check your report before trusting you. If your report looks risky, they're out. What's inside your credit report? Now let's open the file. Small blue diamond personal info. Your name, address, social security number. This part doesn't affect your score. But mistakes here can cause serious problems. Small blue diamond credit accounts. Every credit card. Every loan. Every limit. Every balance. Open or closed. It's all there. Small blue diamond payment history. This is the big one. Late payments. Missed payments. Charge-offs. One late payment can hurt your score for 7 years. Small blue diamond collections. Medical bills. Utility bills. Old debts. Collections are straight up toxic for your credit. Small blue diamond credit inquiries. Hard inquiries happen when you apply for credit. Too many? Lenders get nervous. Errors are common. Here's the wild part. Most people's credit reports have errors. Wrong balances. Wrong late payments. Accounts that don't belong to them. And guess what? Credit bureaus don't fix it automatically. If you don't dispute it, it stays. Credit report versus credit score. Let's clear the confusion once and for all. Credit report equals the full story. Credit score equals the summary. If the story is bad, the score reflects that. You don't fix credit by chasing numbers. You fix credit by cleaning the report. United States: why credit report matters in America. In the US, credit isn't optional. Your report decides loan approval, interest rates, apartment rentals, car financing, insurance prices, sometimes jobs. Bad credit equals higher costs. Good credit equals leverage. White heavy checkmark. Can you check it for free? Here's the good news. You can check your credit report 100% free. Once every year from each bureau. No credit card. No catch. Yet most people never do. If you don't know what's in your credit report, you're playing the money game blind. Subscribe if you want control over your money. Because in America, credit isn't just a number. It's power.